All right, guys, just met a woman. Oh, wow. Guy just flipped me off. What a nice guy. Let's see if we can't go talk to him, see what his problem is. You believe that? Flipped me off. He must have seen the Facebook post. That guy flipped me off. We're gonna go see who he is. He gave me the bird. That was nice, huh? Wonder if that was a cop or not. Let's go find out. Yeah, I'm gonna go over and see if we can find him. Well, guys, he just got a bird. Find out if he's a cop or not, I don't know. Must have seen the videos, huh? Not too happy with me. I told him that videos going around exposing these fools. See if we can't catch up to him. Flip me off. I wonder if he's a cop. He didn't have his uniform on, but you never know with these people. Oh, this might be them right here. We're gonna find out if he's a cop flipping a bird at a civilian. Let's go find out. Oh, there he is. Hey, buddy. Well, guys, he drove back by. Now he's making hand signals. We gotta find out if he's a cop or not. We can make reports on him. You talk about unprofessional.